Hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. How are y'all doing? Oh my gosh. Okay, so anyway. Oh my goodness, did I do it good? Can I do it like her? Hello, hello. And then, what does Pamela do? Do y'all watch Granny Skincare and Makeup? What does she do? Hello, hello. Welcome back to my happy place. That's Granny Skincare and Makeup. And then, let's see. Makeup Queenie says, hello, if you want to play makeup, so I can't do Makeup Queenie. Anyway, okay, I'll run down everybody. Anyway, oh my goodness, it's so funny, isn't it? How we all have our own little way of doing things, and now I done forgot what I do. What do I do? Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. I think that's what I do. I don't even know at this point. Anyway, guess what? We've got something exciting to do today. Hang on a minute. I'm going to be right back. I got to find mine. Shoot, I've already got them ready to go. I've already got them in their boxes. I've got them ready to ship out. Because I got a bunch of stuff to ship out. So, Lordy mercy. Amanda is gonna, like, she waiting on something. I got stuff to do. I got stuff to ship. So I got it all over here packed up. If I told you I was sending you something, I'm gonna be sending it with these things right here. So anyway, so we have got the Ace Beaute Flare palette. This is the pretty orange one. I drew for this one first. And then I drew for the ocean one second. And it's in this box. I won't take it out. But it's in this box. So that's the blue one. So I've got them all here and ready to go. And so before we draw for that, I do want to say, guys, I have got a bunch of giveaways that's going to be starting. I am so excited. So yeah, be tuned to my channel. So I'm going to be running a giveaway video that's going to be dropping on Saturday, and then I'm going to start another giveaway. I've got an exciting surprise giveaway that is going to be dropping with a partner. There's going to be a vendor partner that's going to run a giveaway on my channel. This has never happened before for me, so it's a very big deal. And they are going to be shipping the prize out directly to the, it's not really a sponsored video at all. You know, I'm not getting paid for it or anything like that. But it's just, they reached out to me and asked if I would like to run a giveaway from them to one of my subscribers. And I was like, heck yeah, I do. So that's going to be dropping on Sunday. It's for Mother's Day. I'm going to be starting to do some giveaways on my channel. So yes, I've got some exciting stuff coming up for you. The first one is going to drop on this Saturday. So yes, so get ready for that. I am really excited about this one. It is for in collaboration for a friend of mine's birthday. So yes, but anyway, I just wanted to give you the heads up to keep tuning in to my channel. We're going to be doing a lot of giveaways. Jess and I are going to have another giveaway coming up, but yes, a lot of giveaways are going to be running on my channel. Some good stuff. I'm so excited about it. But anyway, let's get into this video and take a look and see who has won this lovely, oh, this is so pretty, this Ace Beaute Flare palette. Yeah, I'm quite excited about this giveaway this time. Oh my goodness. So we will roll the footage. You're not going to believe who the winner is. You won't believe it. I about fell off the chair when I saw who won this palette. So guys, let's roll the footage right now. We are going to pick the winner for the orange palette now, and let's see, I've got the URL for the video, I've got the comments filtered by Enter Me, and we are going to click the start button. Oh my goodness, Ruby Caudle Brown. Okay, you are the winner. All right, here we go. So, Ruby, you are my winner for the orange palette. Okie dokie. Okay, and then there is Ruby's subscription page, and she is just subscribed to all my buddies. There's my Becca, there's my Vanessa, there's my Jess. She's got my Karen on there. There's my Stacy. There's El Negs. She just subscribed to everybody. So we love us some Ruby. So there you go, honey. That palette is coming your way, baby. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this, Miss Ruby? You won on my channel. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it. Fellow Hoosier. Can you believe it? You are such a wonderful subscriber to so many of the channels around here. I mean, really. You support so many of us YouTubers out there, and I am so tickled that I can give back to you, and especially you really support me, and you mean so much to me. I love talking to you just about our local weather. You really are just such a blessing to my heart, and I appreciate you so much. I just love just getting on there and asking you what's going on in your neck of the woods, and you asking me what's going on in my neck of the woods. And you know, I don't watch TV. We don't have cable, so you know, us being able to chit chat back and forth about what's going on just in the different parts of Indiana really mean a lot to me. You mean so much to me, and I really appreciate you, and you have been such a blessing to me on my channel. I just love you to pieces, Miss Ruby. I really do. And I am so thrilled to be able to give something back to you. I was just floored and so happy, and it just meant so much to me whenever I saw that random comment picker pick you. I was just like, oh my goodness, I get to give something back to Miss Ruby this time. So that was just a blessing to my heart. I really appreciate you. I know Jess appreciates you. I know Karen and all of my lovely friends, that just the whole gang just appreciates you so much. You just support all of us and our channels. We love you to pieces. So thank you so much. And this is coming your way, baby, with a little box, you know, so be looking out for that, baby. And hit me up on getthisglowing@gmail.com. I have it right across the screen for you, and let me know where you want that sent, and I will get this in the mail to you. So then my next winner is, and I want to be sure that I say this right because she's got 3 names. It is, let's roll the footage now. Okay, we are going to be drawing for the second palette, the blue palette. I've already got in the YouTube URL, enter me. I've gotten the comments, which are 122, so we're going over here to the start, and let's see who's going to get it. And that is Christine Diane Smith. So, okay. Okay, and so we are over here just checking things out, making sure that she is, says, oh, there's Jazz. Okay. Let's see if we see me somewhere. Let's see. Oh, there's Jessica. Oh, there's another Jessica, my other friend. Oh, there's my other friend, my other BFF, Miss Catherine. Oh, there's She Crafty. Oh, there's Miss Nikki. I don't see me yet. Let me go up. Did I miss me? There's Elizabeth. There's Allie. There's just Ann. There I am. There I am. Okay, darling. You my winner, chicken dinner. Okay, can you believe that? This is Miss Christine Diane Smith. And so she is also verified that she's a subscriber, a good subscriber to me. So yes, and a bunch of us YouTube gals as well. And so thank you so much, Christine Smith, for being a subscriber to us and supporting our channels, and we appreciate you. And so that beautiful blue and green palette is coming your way, and this is a beautiful, almost a sort of a dupe palette for the Norvina Volume 2 that I am loving. So yeah, if you have, I don't know whether this is posting first or my video that has this look in it, but you can easily create this look that I'm wearing today with the palette in your box that you're going to be receiving. So yeah, take a look at that video if you're wanting ideas on how to use the Ocean palette. That is the blue and green palette, because I am loving the Norvina Volume 2, and I think that this palette has a lot of shades that could be dupes, considered dupes for my Norvina Volume 2. So yeah, that will be coming your way. Just catch up with me and let me know where you want your scent at getthisglowing@gmail.com. You ladies have 48 hours to get in touch with me and let me know where you want your palette sent. So congratulations to both of you ladies. We love you so much. Jess and I love you so much, as well as Karen and the rest of these ladies that you're subscribed to, because you know how I know? Because I know Vanessa and I know Becca and El Neg, and I know all these people that you're subscribed to that I saw on your subscription feed. And so I know that all of these people do appreciate you so much for being subscribed to their channels, because they're my buddies, and I know how much it means to them that you are subscribed and support them. I know, because we talk about it all the time, how much we appreciate our subscribers and how much we love them. So let me know if there's any questions that you have about your palettes, or how to use them, or looks that you want to see with blue looks or with this palette. I do have a copy of this palette. I don't have a copy of this palette because I have my Norvina palette. So I felt like it was pretty close dupe that I could do many looks with that one. So yeah, let me know. And I look so forward to seeing you in another video. And like I said, keep on watching, because we're doing a lot of giveaways on the channel coming up. Oh, and I cannot wait for the drop on the giveaway with my company sponsored giveaway. So yes, that is going to be so exciting for you guys, and I'm so happy to be able to offer that to you. So keep watching, guys. It's going to be getting good. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. I look so forward to seeing you in my next one. But for now, bye, guys.